Hey guys, welcome back to Little Monster Eats. So I have another weekly meal prep video to show what I am eating for the week. So I got my typical meal plan and then I have the groceries that I need to buy. So I'm gonna jump right to it and show you guys what I made. So to start for breakfast, I'm actually trying a new thing, and this is a total test run right now, so I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out, but I decided to make some instant dry oatmeal cups. So basically it's just some old-fashioned oats on the bottom, and then this one is raisins, some cinnamon, and I think I put some brown sugar in it, so it's going to be like a cinnamon raisin type of oatmeal. And then this one has some dried blueberries and some dried coconut flakes in it, and I have them prepared like this. And so in the morning I'm going to go ahead and boil off some water, pour it in here, and then mix it up, and then put the lid on to go, and then I'll eat it when I get to work. So I'm trying these out. Hopefully I can come up with a few new flavors and then make a video for you guys for this one. I also decided to make some muffins this week. So these are chocolate chip muffins. These I actually did just from the box. So my toddler is going to be going to school really soon, and so we are trying out some little snack options for him. So these are all the little mini muffins that I made, and I'm just going to bring two of them like this to work for breakfast or for a snack. So for lunch, I had baked some chicken wings. So I have these chicken wings here. They are soy lime chicken wings, and they were baked in the oven. This one I have with some spinach cauliflower rice. And then this one I have with just some fried rice that I made with some tomato paste and some vegetables. So this is gonna be my version to bring to work, but Dan and Brandon don't like cauliflower rice, so I made them this version so that they can have for their lunch. Next meal option I have can be either for lunch or for dinner, but the last time I was at Trader Joe's, I found this masala simmer sauce. It's kind of has that butter chicken type of sauce to it, so of course I bought some chicken thighs that were boneless, and I simmered it and cooked it in there. I ended up having a lot of sauce from this container. So after the chicken was done, I had a lot of sauce left and I didn't want to waste it. So I actually took the chicken out, and then I had a can of chickpeas in my pantry, and so I decided to cook chickpeas in there as well. So this one has some of the chicken with some chickpeas, and then I made some rice with that. And then these are just leftover chickpeas that I had simmered in the sauce. And for that, I just have here some naan bread that I have in these reusable pouches. So that'll be like a small lunch that I can bring to work. Okay. Another thing that I had made this week, this is sticky rice. This has some Chinese sausage in it. There's omelet egg on the top, and then in there I had added some mushrooms and some scallions in there as well. So this is sticky rice. This is an Asian dish, and I actually have a video coming out on how I made this as well. So I will go ahead and leave the link in the description box below for that. And then for snacks this week, I have here a little snack box. So there's just some Ritz crackers here with some cheese. I have here a spreader for that. And then I also have some salami. And then I found these little tomatoes. They're called sprinkles, but they're super small. I don't know if you see how small these are, but they're super small and sweet. I thought they would be pretty cute and really easy to eat. I'm not a big, huge fan of tomatoes, but the little ones are really sweet, and I like eating those. So I'm gonna give this one a try, but I found this at my grocery store this week. Sprinkles made by Sunset. I also have some fresh strawberries here that I will snack on, and then this is a trail mix that Brandon and I actually made together. Trying to get him into the kitchen a little bit more. He used to do a lot more videos with me, but it's just been very time consuming. So we started up again, made a little trail mix together. So this has some cheese crackers in it, some Chex Mix cereal, some pretzel, goldfish, or actually pretzel fish, some raisins, some M&Ms, but a little homemade trail mix that had some of his favorite snacks in it. So I'm going to be bringing that as a snack to work as well. So that is everything that I have for this week. As always, I'm going to go ahead and leave some of the recipes in the description box. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a monsterific day. Bye.